Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a gastrointestinal disorder caused by irritable and irregular movement of the small and large intestines. It can also be called spastic colon and mucus colitis. Some signs of IBS are stomach cramping or pain, constipation, bloating, gas, mucus in the stool, nausea, headaches, depression, and fatigue. The reasons for irritable bowel syndrome are not known, but nervousness, frustration, or anger can add to it. Drinking too much coffee and eating raw fruits, cruciferous vegetables, or dairy products may make the problem worse. Here are some easy and natural cures for those suffering from IBS. Yogurt that has live cultures can help cure diarrhea that comes from IBS. This is because live cultures are good bacteria that add a layer of protection in the intestines, and help make lactic acid to clean the body from germs. Yogurt could be eaten plain, or made into a smoothie. Eat it a few times a day until you feel better. Flaxseed because flax seeds have dietary fibers, they help the body send out waste quickly and smoothly. Flax seeds also have a lot of omega-3 essential fatty acids that help the immune system and the digestive system stay strong. For these reasons, flax seeds are great for treating constipation and diarrhea. Take 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed with water once a day. Peppermint can help with cramping, bloating, and diarrhea that come from IBS. A study written in the British Medical Journal found that fiber, antispasmodics, and peppermint oil all help treat irritable bowel syndrome. Peppermint oil has menthol oil, which eases cramps or spasms in the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. This stops bloating, gas, pain, and intestinal cramps. Peppermint can also help food pass. Fennel seeds can stop the intestinal spasms, or tightening, and bloating that come with IBS. It can also help send fats out of the digestive system, and therefore stop the body from making too much mucus, which can cause IBS. Ginger because ginger can lessen gas and bloating, it is used as a cure for IBS. Also, ginger can lower the swelling in the intestines, and loosen up the intestinal muscles. Cabbage juice is a great way to treat constipation that comes from IBS. This is because raw cabbage juice has sulfur and chlorine. These help clean the mucous membrane of the stomach and intestinal tract. Because cabbage juice works as a laxative, it makes bowel movements softer and easier to pass, and keeps the body hydrated. To stop you from getting irritable bowel syndrome, you need to always have a good diet and a healthy lifestyle. Anything that can stop you from getting stressed, like exercising or meditating, is a good way to help with bowel discomfort, because it will keep your intestines running in a regular way.